As John Lee continues to elaborate on his policy address in media appearances today, the chief executive said the government will inject additional funding of $8 billion to implement some of the measures included in his speech on Wednesday. Christy Khan has more.
In his maiden policy address, Chief Executive John Lee has announced a number of new initiatives, including the construction of light public housing units, investment in innovation and technology, and the setting up of care teams in 18 districts. He said the government's annual budget is around $800 billion, and it is worth it to spend 1% or $8 billion to implement the new measures covered in the policy address. Lee also mentioned the youth policy blueprint to be introduced later this year. He said the blueprint aims to help people under the age of 40 in the areas of education, entrepreneurship, and buying property. Also, Lee noted that the scheme is set to help unite the community, adding that it was normal for people to have different views in a diversified society. He emphasized the government would reduce the distance between authorities and Hong Kong people, saying that they didn't have any intention to change people's mindsets. Furthermore, Lee also explained the importance of setting up care teams in different districts. He said each district will have different situations. For example, some regions will have more elderly people, while other districts will have more ethnic minority groups. The care teams therefore will act according to the district's need. On the High Court's ruling that authorities cannot invalidate some 20,000 COVID vaccination exemption certificates, Lee said the health authorities and Department of Justice are currently studying the judgment. He added that authorities will come up with a follow-up plan soon, saying that the government will act according to the law. Christy Khan, TVB News.